are coming to celebrate the declaration of our zero tolerance violence free community for Nandalai community. This is the first community to be declared in Western Division this year 2014, and the community is very happy today because they have already went through the 10 phases of this zero tolerance violence free community program. This program initially was started in 2013, and it was committed by our Madam Minister Dr. Chiko Leveni, and for this year in the first quarter I am so happy to inform you that this was our first community to be declared today. And not only declaration was being done today, and also for information, we have also assisted this community with our financial grants with our beekeeping project. And for this beekeeping project, these women have already taken through the financial literacy training, and plus also they have gone through our socio-economic training, which is phase 9 of this zero tolerance violence free community. And not only with the beekeeping project this community was assisted with, this community was also facing problem of the resource center for the women, where they will be having their sewing training and other skills training. So on my right you can see there's a resource center assistance being given by the Ministry for Social Welfare, Women in Poverty Alleviation. This is to help the women in terms of a meeting place for the women and learning the skills. Permanent Secretary was informing about the family issues, how we have to maintain our families, and these women, these men of these villages, I believe they have, through going through this training, they have real understand what is the family values are and how to look after their women. And I believe that from this zero tolerance violence free community, these men have really learned a lesson how to look after our women and children in the community. Yes.